Section 3.2.5, find the sample variance and standard deviation as indicated. We have the numbers 22, 11, 6, 7, and 10. We have two formulas that we can use. We can use the first formula or the second formula. For this exercise, we're going to use the computational formula, the first one. So to use the computational formula, we're going to create a table with two columns. We're going to enter the sample data in the first column. In the second column, we find the square of each data value. So the first column, we have 22, 11, 6, 7, and 10. We want to find the sum of those values of the sample data. The sum of all those together is 56. And then we're going to take each sample data value and then square it. We're going to take 22 and square it to get 484. 11 squared is 121. 6 squared is 36. 7 squared is 49. 10 squared is 100. When we add those all up, that's going to give us the sum of the data value squared, which gives us 790. So now that we have this information, then we can plug it into the computational formula. So we know that the sum of the sample data is 56. So we're going to plug that in inside the parentheses, 56, and then square it. We know the sum of the data value squared is 790. So we're going to take 790 minus 56 squared and divide it by the number of data that's in the sample, which is 5. And then divide it by n minus 1, which is 5 minus 1. When we plug this into our formula, we get the value of 40.7. So this represents the variance. So S squared represents the variance. Now, the last part we want to do is find the standard deviation. In order to find the standard deviation, we're going to take the square root of that number. The square root of 40.7 gives us 6.4.